Here I have Mercedes EQA, and on this example let me show you how to connect your car to another phone. So let me show you how to pair phone with the car. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this simple screen. Let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the devices. As you can see, let's tap the devices, and here you can find the list of your devices. So this is the list of connected phones to your car. If you would like to use some other phone, let's choose Connect New Device. So you can now connect your vehicle. This is the name of the car. So let's use some phone. Here I have my another iPhone. Let's tap Settings. Here from the list of settings, you need to choose Bluetooth. So let me tap Bluetooth. And as you can see, Bluetooth is activated. Now I can go to the car, and the car found my iPhone. So let me tap my iPhone. Let's wait. All right, we've got the pairing request. Tap pair. You can allow contacts and favorite things if you would like to. In my case, let me tap don't allow. I will keep my contacts outside the car. So as you can see, you can also start using the Apple Car. Let me tap connect. And let's go to the car. Here we've got data protection. Let's tap OK and start Apple Car. And that's it. As you can see, from the list of 2 devices, we create the list of 3 devices. And you can use right now the new phone. As you can see, here we've got the Apple Car. The car will automatically start using the Apple Car. But if you would like to disable the Apple Car, all you need to do is use the following icon here. And you can tap here on the following icon, and now the Mercedes will use his own system. What's also really interesting, the Mercedes was connected to my old iPhone, but it was using the Apple Car for the new device. So you can also use it in that way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.